It shows a girl I don't remember, but she's mouthing, I am you. A sink is filled with silver strands, like threads I pulled from dreams. And in each curl a quiet scream that never found its wings.
Hi guys, so today we're making this half up half down hairstyle. This hairstyle is actually a very cute one. So I used my Brazilian wool to create the Bantu knot. You can as well use an attachment hair extension like your lush hair extension, right? Color 1, black wild braids, exactly this one showed on the screen. So when you're done making the Bantu knots, you can as well have your braids done at the back, right? Or you weave your hair, right? For example, for me, I just weave my hair and I had some gaps at the back and I didn't want to do something extra because I didn't have time for that. But you can weave your hair definitely, and then you crochet the kinky part. So I use a lush kinky braids. You can see here 68 inches. So here I'm showing you that when you put your crochet pin, there's a part that needs to cover up when you've attached your kinky extension to it. So make sure you cover it up by the time you put your kinky inside the crochet needle, and then you pull, because if you don't cover it up, it will tangle due to the nature of the kinky hair extension, and you don't want that to happen. So you can pull out your kinky hair extension from under your weave, right? And then you leave it like this, or if you decide to just tie it maybe to make it more firmer, you can as well go ahead to do that. But for me, whenever I'm making any hairstyle, I consider how easy it is for me to actually loosen it, right? You don't want to stress so much while loosening a particular hairstyle. So for this up half down hairstyle, I just had to make sure that I consider that. So I try to show you once again how to do this crochet part. In case you're a beginner, this is very beginner friendly video. So when you cover it up, pull out, just continue like that until you're done putting up your kinky across to fill up all the weave parts that you've done, and then you put some at the back. Just make sure to cover up your weave or whatever you have on going out at the back of your hair. So that's just it for it, okay guys? So try out this hairstyle and let me know if that works for you. I'm just gonna leave you to see how I was able to achieve the other part of the the crocheting and every other step that I took. And if you ever feel like some part is actually scanty, feel free to fill it up. There is nobody that is stopping you from making sure that your hair is looking good and that you have it all blown out, all looking fly and happy and all of that, right? So do you, please do you. Yeah, exactly, it is your hair, so you can do anything you want to do as long as it comes out nice. And yeah, so let me know if you try this hairstyle and what you think about it. Some people make this hairstyle with a weave on at the back when they do their Bantu knot, or weave their hair with a hair extension. They just put up like a weave on, maybe a coily weave on or a straight weave on. I've seen lots and lots of that, but this one I decided to do with a kinky hair, and trust me, it came out really nice. You will see the final picture eventually. And yeah, take care guys, until next time. Please subscribe, like my video, it helps and supports me. Thank you so much. Bye.
In disrepair, don't you dare undo them, leave them as a prayer. Tangles in my hair, tangles everywhere. the ceiling that I dare not look into. It shows a girl I don't remember, but she's mouthing, I am you. The sink is filled with silver.